Good afternoon, guys. I hope all of you can see and hear me. If you can see and hear me, just let me know so that I can actually get started, guys. I hope all of you can see and hear me, right? Okay, let me actually share my screen and I will actually get started immediately once you actually respond to me back. Okay, guys, let's actually get started. So let's get started with the rules as we actually always do. So all the ideas whichever I have been sharing you, all of them have got a technical breakout and I have done my analysis before giving you these trades. And if you are doing any kind of trade, that is your risk. So you need to do your own analysis, due diligence for before you do any kind of investments. All the trading ideas whatever I am actually giving you always has a stop loss, always has targets. Please ensure that whenever the target or the stop loss is hit, you need to actually move out of it, because many times actually after the target is hit, it actually comes back to the original price, or it may actually also try to hit the stop loss. It's very important for you to follow these rules. If you are trying to actually move for the second target, third target, you need to actually move your stop loss to the buying price and then actually to the first target, second target. So you actually have to protect your profits. If you are having a challenge about this tracking of this and you're not able to very clearly understand, so don't worry, you join our VIP traders club. I'll actually extend you at the end of the program. And at the same time, you should not actually trade all the money with one particular stock. It's always advised to have at least 3 4 stocks. I always give you at least 4 different ideas, so whichever is actually suitable, you can actually do it as per your budget you have. So don't try to put all the money in one stock, and put the money which actually you can afford to lose. Don't actually put your money which is very critical. So please understand, don't try to gamble here. So this, they are not charging anything for these free tips. If you are actually making profits, just take a screenshot, share it with me. That will motivate me that you're all following, and I will be actually giving you more such ideas. I only expect you to share this to all your friends. Let everybody get benefited, guys. I have a vision of at least reaching out to 1 crore people to actually train on stock market, and I'm working towards that. I need your help. Please like this video and share it with all your friends, guys. All these actually are purely for educational purposes, and if you are actually doing any investments, purely at your discretion, at your own risk. So let me actually quickly tell you what we have given earlier, and should you actually hold on, should you exit, what you need to do with it. See, right now, what has happened in the market is, I would suggest long positions, whatever is there, you need to protect your profits, because there could be a good amount of retracements which could happen in most of the stocks. So Tata Motors, the all the I think the first target got achieved, and no, I think all the targets have got achieved. Sorry. So TVS Motors, actually the first and second target got achieved. JK Tires, the first target got achieved. Amara Battery, all targets achieved. Canfin Homes, actually the first target got achieved. Uh, Thank you, Ritesh. Thank you very much. Vodafone Ideas, actually, we have hit all the targets. Now I have revised the target. So we have hit one more target after that. And Bharti Airtel actually hit the first and second target. It has come back to the buying price. So as long as Bharti Airtel is above 535, it is going to close above 535. It is still actually going to be on the buying side. 530, 535 is actually good price actually, until unless we hold on to that, that is still good. Adani Ports, all targets got achieved. Cipla, all targets got achieved. And Ashok Leyland, first and second target got achieved. BGR Energy, all targets achieved. JSW Steel, actually, this was actually sell calls which I had given you on 2nd September. If you see, 3 sells and 2 buys were there. Out of that, 2 of the sell calls also, all targets got achieved. One buy call, JSW Steel, actually stop loss got triggered. NMDC and IOC, though they have gone a little down, but still actually the call is still active. Uh, Please try to follow the today's stop loss should be the where actually you need to look at the stop loss. And this is what I had actually shared with you yesterday, and out of this, 2 of them actually have got the stop loss hit. Other 3 can still be held. So today's low should be actually kept as a stop loss if you want to hold on these positions. Okay, let's me quickly go through what actually trading actually I'm giving you for today. ONGC is my first recommendation. ONGC 78 79 rupees should be at the place at which you can look at buying. Below 77 you can keep as the stop loss, and 81, 83 is the levels at which you can actually look at exiting. Guys, I am actually not expecting too much of a big movements to happen. Market may be in the range between 11,400 to 600. I've been telling you 11,500, 550 itself is acting as a good resistance. So please try to protect yourselves. Today probably we may still be positive. We will first actually try to fill the gap which has actually formed yesterday. So we may actually go to 11,500, but 11,500 will we be able to hold is the one big question which is there. Even if it is there, holding on 11,500, 550 is the biggest challenge. Whenever we are going beyond that, we are actually getting into a selling pressure. So be very careful on the market. And for bank nifty, if I have to say, lower level actually 23,000 is acting as a support, and the higher level 24,000, 24,300 is actually acting as a resistance for us. Okay, next is actually Coal India. Coal India 133.5, 134 in that range we are looking at buying, and 133 today's low could be actually kept as a stop loss. 136, 138 could be the levels which we are looking. DJs, you are asking 140, is it possible? Probably it is possible if the momentum is going to continue. Overall, actually, Coal India looks good, and I have been recommending you from the beginning. I've been, if you have been following, I have recommended you a couple of times. Gale is the next immediate recommendation. We are looking at 97 to 98 rupees at which we are looking at buying, and 96 should be kept as a stop loss. 100, 101 is what we are looking for Gale. And the last recommendation is going to be for GMR Infra. GMR Infra 23.5, 23.8 is the level at which you are looking at buying. 23 should be kept as a stop loss. 25, 26 is the level at which we are looking at GMR Infra. I think, yeah, this is all the different stocks which I have actually there for you guys. Now, if you are having any issues in, if you have smaller capital, not able to actually know how actually to really do the trade, or if you see, I would always suggest you to first learn. And if you are actually having challenges with smaller capital, if you are having portfolio problem, if you are having tracking related issues, I would suggest you to join the Traders VIP Club. Today evening the first class will be happening. I'll be actually giving this first session anyway for free. I'm actually giving you a throwaway price of 999 rupees, guys. I just want to help as many people as possible because I want you to protect your hard earned money. Okay, Josh Entertainment, sir, can we buy idea share for holding? Josh, I have been telling about idea when it was at 6 rupees. I've been telling you it is going to be a multi-bagger. Hold on to this. Look at least 2 years horizon, and this actually can give you huge returns. It can actually move as high as maybe 30, 40 rupees, 50 rupees, 100 rupees, or 200 rupees. Also, anything is possible, guys. 2 years is the minimum horizon you need to look for. It was always trading in the range of 8 to 12, and from there 8 12 rupees range has been broken. Now the range can be between 12 to 16, but at the same time there could be any point of time retracement can always happen. If you are able to hold on to that, then actually you can look at it. So idea is definitely a good buy. And see, whatever information you are getting, if I have actually told you, when I told you at that time, there was no information, guys. I'm purely telling you based on technical analysis, and I'm telling you because there's a lot of buying which has already happened. You may actually get this information now. Probably already these people have already bought at the lower levels. You will never know that. You will come to know only when the actually people start actually talking about it. It will always come at the later level, guys, because buying I've been seeing from the last almost more than a year. Actually buying has been happening in idea, so that is where actually it's very important. Fantastic, Salman, all the best. Okay guys, if there's any question you can just leave it in the comment box. I'll reply back to you. And if there is anything which is not related to the stocks I have actually owned, I will actually probably not be able to answer at this stage, because the stocks which I am recommending I'll be actually able to tell you immediately about it because I'm tracking them clearly. Okay, guys, you can, if there's any other questions, you can actually ask me. I will just leave the Traders VIP Club recommendation there. Tata Motors 160 plus possible, guys. It is possible as long as the momentum is getting hold. It is possible, but retracements are also possible. How can I learn from you, sir? DJs, I have a lot of training programs, so it all depends on what you want to do. If you want to actually see, it all depends on how much investments are there with you. If you are actually having very small investment, I would want you to easiest thing is join the Trader VIP club. It will be just 999 rupees. But if you really want to learn everything, become independent, I would actually suggest you to take up the main package which I actually offer you, which will be for 14,999, and it will cover you everything, and it will come with bonus 12 programs. It will cover you the option trading secrets, it will cover the positional trading secrets, intraday trading secrets, about how to do it in the quarterly results, about IPOs. So many different things actually are covered. It is a comprehensive program for 6 months, and you'll get all the hand holding which is required. Okay. Ritik Shetty, I am sorry, I am not actually tracking M&M. I'll be, as I said, I will be only talking to you about the stocks which I have personally recommended to you. So other stocks I may not be able to tell you at this stage. Right now, it is a live market ask, guys. I cannot spend more time with you at this point of time. If there's anything, you can just leave a question. I will personally answer back to you. And if there's nothing else, I will actually quickly end this call. So overall, what I say is today probably market still actually has a potential to move towards 11,500, 550. There is a possibility we may end positively for today, but at the same time, whether it is going to hold is a question. For today, probably yes, the entire thing could be quite good, but for tomorrow, for Monday, is something which we have to see. But overall, actually for this week, I'm actually looking Nifty to be in the range of 11,300 to 11,500, 550. That is the range I am actually looking at. Okay, guys, I am going to wind off this session. If you are actually joining me after this live session is over, just leave a question there, and I will personally reply back to you. And if you want to join the Trader VIP Club, I'll be leaving the link there, so you can actually go and click and join. It will be just 999. And if you are not a part of my Telegram group, go and actually join my Telegram group, Crazy Money with Street. Like this video and actually share it with all your friends, guys. Subscribe for the channel so that you will get all the notification whenever I come online. Thank you very much. Have a great day, guys.